Let's look at a drainage channel application. The first step in any blanket installation is seed bed preparation. This includes application of lime, fertilizer, and seed. Once the soil is prepared, cut a 6-inch deep by 6-inch wide trench at the top of the channel. Then, lay out the blankets with approximately a foot of the blanket material extending beyond the upslope portion of the trench. Spacing staples approximately a foot apart, anchor the blanket to the bottom of the trench. Once the blanket is anchored, backfill and compact the trench, and apply seed to the compacted soil. Then, fold the remainder of the 12-inch portion of the blanket back over the seed and compacted soil. Use staples or stakes to secure the remaining blanket, spacing them approximately 1 foot apart across the entire width of the blanket. With the upslope portion of the blanket properly secured, you can now roll the center blanket in the direction of water flow in the bottom of the channel. The blankets are designed to unroll with the appropriate side against the soil surface. Now, completely secure all blankets to the soil surface by installing staples or stakes in the appropriate location according to the staple pattern guide. Staple patterns are made simple by the dot system. Just place staples or stakes through each of the colored dots corresponding to the appropriate staple pattern. If necessary, you may alter horizontal staple spacing to secure critical points along the channel surface. Be sure to place blankets end over end, as if installing shingles, while maintaining an overlap of 4 to 6 inches. Use a double row of staples or stakes to secure the overlap. Stagger each staple or stake 4 inches apart and 4 inches on center to secure the blankets. The full length edge of the blankets at the top side slopes must be anchored with a row of staples or stakes spaced approximately a foot apart in a 6-inch deep by 6-inch wide trench. Be sure to backfill and compact the trench after stapling. Adjacent blankets must be overlapped approximately 2 to 5 inches, depending on blanket type, and securely stapled. In high-flow channel applications, it's recommended that a staple check slot be created at 30 to 40-foot intervals. Then use a double row of staples or stakes staggered 4 inches apart and 4 inches on center over the entire width of the channel. Anchor the terminal end of the blankets using a row of staples or stakes spaced approximately a foot apart in a 6-inch deep by 6-inch wide trench. After securely stapling or staking the blanket, backfill and compact the trench. The critical points to consider in a channel application are overlaps and seams, projected water line, and channel bottom and side slope vertices. If you need detailed specific recommendations, contact your nearest authorized North American Green distributor or call North American Green Technical Services.